guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harper and this is Harper's World. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to be a virtual stylist. Before we start though, I would love if you guys subscribed, liked this video, commented anything else you wanted to see, or any comments. Sorry, my nose itches, but whatever. So yeah, today I'm going to teach you guys how to be a virtual stylist. If you don't know what that is, it is a stylist, fashion stylist virtually. You put outfits together online, people like it, comment. Sometimes people DM you for advice on their outfits, or you get booked for different things just to style people. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. Before we start, I have a styling page. It goes by the name Shop Zinga, so you could, it'll be here on the screen, so you guys can follow that if you'd like. So let's get started. I'm going to start the screen recording. So the first thing I have written down in my notes is what apps do I use. So for starters, to make my outfits, I use the app Smart Closet. So I'm going to click on Smart Closet. This is how the app looks. It has a home page. On the home page, I don't really pay attention to the home page much, but with the app Smart Closet, if you're not a virtual stylist, you can literally take pictures of clothes out of your closet using the camera. And when you use the camera, you could take a picture of an outfit on a blank wall and then it'll crop it out for you. So say if you're at work and you're going out later with your friends and you're like, dang, what do I have to wear? You can go on your virtual closet, which is also your real closet, and put outfits together. So by the time you get home, you already know what you're gonna wear. So that's a pro tip for Smart Closet. These outfits here that they have at the bottom that I'm scrolling past, these are things that you could just crop out. So look, I could click on these Cole Haan shoes, for instance, and then I could say add to closet. Once I click add to closet, I click the auto button. The auto button is what's gonna crop it out for me. Click it again, makes it more clean, press the check, and everything's already input for me. They have the category, the color, the brand, the price, and I just press check. Even though I don't really like those shoes, I'll go here to my closet and you'll see the shoes right here. So my closet, this is what my closet is looking like right now. I have jeans, shirts, purses, I have everything in my closet. So yeah, I use Smart Closet to put the outfits together, and I am going to show you guys how I find the clothes that I use, because I don't get my clothes off of the Smart Closet app. I get my clothes off of other apps. So this right here is top secret, because right now what I'm telling you guys, we're probably going to have a lot of the same looks and a lot of the same pieces. If you guys become virtual stylists, you guys know all the tea now. You guys know where I get all my stuff from. So you better subscribe, better like this video, because this video is not for anybody who's not subscribed. Yeah. So the first app that I use to get my clothes, I use Pretty Little Things app. So a lot of people use Pretty Little Things app. This is not so top secret. So I could go here, click new in, because I've been through this whole app. I know every single piece that they have. But for instance, if I like this jacket that this girl, why am I trying to flip the phone to show you guys? You guys can see. If I like this jacket that this girl's wearing, I can literally slide and the jacket's already cut out. All I do is click here, click save, and then the jacket's gonna be in my camera roll. So the second app that I like using, this app is what the top secret is, The Real. So this is all the tea you ever needed to make your outfits bomb popping. If you want vintage luxury items, if you guys want now items, if you guys want anything, even to buy, the prices are bomb. I just don't have the real money or the fake money right now, so I don't buy anything off the app, but I do love what they have. So for instance, you see everything's already cut out for you. It's just amazing. Like, let me show you guys some of my obsessions. Obsessions are things that I save because I really do enjoy them and like them. So these are some other things I have in my little obsessions closet, like this Chanel bag, beautiful. If I wanted this on my virtual closet, I would just screenshot it and come here to the app. Oh God, I have to sneeze. If I wanted this in my virtual closet, I would just come here, press add item, get my Chanel bag. Don't look at my pictures, guys. And then it will just crop it out for me. This might take a while. Okay, and then do it again. And now I go to brands and then I type in Chanel. I have a lot of brands in my closet. Okay, and then another app I get my clothes from, well, a lot of places. Let me just show you guys my brands. I get my clothes from ASOS, Acid, Acne Studios. You guys can literally pause this video and I'll scroll down and you guys can screenshot the brands I get my clothes from, and then you guys can look those brands up yourself and then just do what I've been doing. Put it in the app, it'll Photoshop itself out if it's not on anybody. And then yeah, that's the tea on that. But I can also show you guys, you guys can screenshot since I'm scrolling so fast. Okay. So that's the tea on that. Let me put a quick outfit for you guys together. I'm just gonna recreate this outfit again because I don't have time to literally dig in my brain and find an outfit to put together. Hopefully I remember all these items that I did this look with. So for instance, let me recreate the same look over again. Jesus, can't find nothing. But this is how you do it. You just click the item and then you just start putting things in there. Like, I don't know, like, okay, I can't make an outfit that fast, like, just off the top of my brain. But this is, like, something cute that I will put together. So I'm just putting anything together right now just to show you guys a look. I wouldn't not, like, literally wear this or put this on my, page or anything. But I'm just showing you guys this to show you guys something real quick. No, ma'am, those are ugly. This is hard. By the way, guys, you think it's easy. I mean, I'm not saying you think it's easy. Just so you know, it is not easy making virtual outfits. That's why I try to post as consistent as I possibly can. Okay, no ma'am. I'm not feeling this outfit at all. Like I was saying, I try to post as consistent as I can, but like making virtual outfits, sometimes it just comes to you, flows to you, and you can just put things together ASAP and just go crazy with it. And then sometimes it's just like you have to take week breaks, hold on. Tonight we're drinking, the biggest piece of hair in my mouth. Tonight we're drinking Malibu and pineapple juice. But yeah, for instance, this is the outfit, guys. Just say I put everything in my closet and this is the outfit. So I'm gonna save that outfit, and I made myself a little watermark, so when I post my photos on Instagram, at the bottom I can have like my little thing, even though sometimes people be photoshopping my thing off, being disrespectful, and then using it as if they made the outfit themselves. Like, girl, don't do that. So the next app I use is PicArt when I want to make that little watermark at the bottom. So I'm gonna go in the PicArt app. I'm gonna click my photo, and then I'm gonna go to add photo, and then I'm just gonna add my where is it? Okay, here it is. I'm gonna add my little logo, and then you just put it there at the bottom. I just put mine at the bottom, and then press apply, next, and then press save. Done. And then I'll go inside of Instagram. Let me go to my personal page. By the way, you guys can follow my personal Instagram if you like. I don't have much posted on there, but you guys could go follow if you like. So yeah, I'm gonna go to my Shop Zynga app, profile, and then you'll see here, this is the last outfit that I posted. So it got around 3,000 likes, and I put my hashtags in the comments now, and my hashtags are #0. You see the hashtags, so you guys can make hashtags similar to these, and these are what will get you like to the top of. If you just consistently use these hashtags and consistently post, then you'll probably be at the top of these hashtags one of these days. I'm usually not even at the top anymore, so. But for the most part, that's how you become a virtual stylist. That's how you make outfits. I I have more tips if you guys want a part 2, but I didn't want to bunch too much information in this one video. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if it was helpful. I hope it was. Let me know if I missed out on anything. If you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. I can make a part 2 on how I gained my virtual styling followers. I can make how I Photoshop outfits off of people. That could be in part 2. I can just make more videos like this if you guys would like that. Please comment down below and let me know. I'm sorry if I don't have so much energy. It is 11:08 at night, and honestly, I'm tired. Like I had a long day. I went to a baby shower today. I went to work, came home, and I made this video for you guys, and it's 11:08. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.